Hello, everybody. Today, I will take you to a grocery trip at Springvale Market, the biggest Vietnamese market in Australia. We parked the car in the back street and walk there. But first, let's grab some lunch. You can find many shops that sell Vietnamese sandwich or banh mi, a popular Vietnamese street food that packs with savory meats and veggies at the very friendly price. Choose your choices of fillings. The portion is big enough to share, so I asked the staff to cut it in half. After taking care of that banh mi, it's time to do some grocery. There are shops on both sides of the main street and many more around the area. It is fun to look for items from Southeast Asian countries. First, we will explore the Springvale Shopping Center building. You can find all kinds of meat, seafood, tropical fruits, and veggies at the unbeatable price. KFL is the biggest supermarket here and it has almost everything. The only place that I can find the duck blood jelly for my green chicken curry. Springvale Market is truly a heaven pantry for Asians who like to cook. We went back home with our trolley fully packed with fresh stuffs, and I have already planned my dinner.